Your dog may have the heart of a puppy, but not the mobility of one. Help your older pets easily access your vehicle with WeatherTech's EasyRamp. Let's take a closer look. EasyRamp is ideal for pets, big and small, that need a little extra help getting into the car. Using this sturdy solution can help prevent injuries to you and your pets caused by lifting them up into vehicles. It features a textured non-slip surface and a center stool that creates a gentle incline so pets can walk up and down the ramp comfortably. Plus, the rubber feet on both ends help keep it from shifting while in use. It's lightweight for easy transportation, yet strong enough to support up to 300 pounds. This portable ramp is simple to assemble for use whenever and wherever your pet needs it. EasyRamp is designed and manufactured in America by WeatherTech. Make accessing hard-to-reach areas a breeze for your furry friends with WeatherTech's EasyRamp.